Welcome again in Saraswati Tech Coding. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to watch the latest videos. Watch entire video if you want to learn hacking and interested in computer technology. Today I'm gonna tell you the storeroom of hacking tools and PDFs from where you can learn many things. You not need to search for any website of hacking tools and PDFs. I'm going to tell you a website from where you can learn and get all these things without any ad and waste of time. This is best website for those who want to learn computer technology and hacking. Actually it is not a website, it is an index page. It seems like a your own folder. This website is not time wasting and it is best for you. You can get all the cracker patcher tools and PDF books of hacking. So let us start. Search this website from Google. For this, type in Google index of .es. You will see the result index of .es. Click here and you also can type index-of.es directly in address bar of the web browser. Here all the results and folders of here you can click Android and all the Android related PDFs is here. You can download on clicking any of the PDFs and here many folders like C++, CSS, cracker, patcher, tools, hacking. There are many folders you can search for this. You can download anything, any webs, any PDFs related hacking and programming. You can simply download from here. So this website is best for you. There is no any additional text. Here all these things are related to your need. So you can download any PDFs. Here also you can get tools and cracking patching tools. Like the video and share to friends and subscribe Saraswati to Coding to watch the latest videos. Thanks for watching.